Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing a review on Sexy Smooth Wax. They have been sending me wax for a while now, and it is very good wax. I'm gonna try it on my arm today, just my forearm. Packaging. So they sent me Tickled Pink. I think it's proper fitting for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna try this wax out and we're gonna see what we think about it, okay? Alright. Oh yeah, and I did forget, this is hard wax. So hard wax is my favorite wax. I really don't like soft wax, so this is perfect for me. And then they gave me 2 pounds of wax, just like the last time they gave me 2 pounds of Purple Seduction. This was the first one that they ever sent me. And then this is the Tickled Pink. This is Purple Seduction, Tickled Pink. So we're gonna try the Tickled Pink out, and I cannot wait to see this heat up, to see what it's like. So I'm about to turn on my wax warmer. I'm gonna dump these beads in there and we're gonna get right into it. So here I'm just opening up the wax, and these are what the beads look like on the inside. Oh, that's pretty, 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 pretty. That is so pretty. And then I'm just gonna dump them in my wax warmer. Now, some of y'all may not know, I am a licensed esthetician, and I just love doing waxes. I love doing facials. So this is what the wax looks like. Look at that. Ooh, bling, bling. Okay, we're going to let it sit in here for a few minutes, and we're going to come back and wait till it melts so we can see what it look like. So beautiful, y'all. So this is what it looks like melted. Look at that consistency. It's so thick. And look at the sparkle. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. The pink, the sparkle, they did a good job with this wax right here. So let's test it out and see. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to test the wax out. And I'm just getting a strip rod on the stick, and I'm just going to lay it across. Just like that. And I'm going to create a lip. This wax is so warm, and it dries real fast too, y'all. Like, it's already drying. See that? I'm just letting it sit a little bit though. So you want to get like an even strip on the arm, and now I think it's time to pull it off. So I'm just gonna flick it a little bit and pull. Woo! It was very easy to pull off. And I got some hairs pulled up on there too. And the wax stretches too. So that's also a plus. Real versatile wax. Very, very good. I recommend 10 out of 10. If you want to come get a wax from me, I will be doing half off on waxes for Valentine's Day. And I will be using this wax by Sexy Smooth Wax, Tickled Pink. Just inbox me and we can set up a time to do a wax. Bye, y'all. Thanks.